Hi, it's Heather. We are at the Tivoli Lodge in Vail, Colorado. I've always been curious about Vail. It is a very wealthy town, and this is a very fancy hotel. I can't remember the last time I stayed someplace this nice. It cost a lot. I think I paid at least $250 a night. It's very pretty. We're all feeling a little bit intimidated right now, and I don't think I'm going to feel comfortable filming in other parts of the hotel, but I'm going to show you the room. I'll try to sneak a picture of the lobby if I can. It really feels more like a big house and like we're in the bedroom of a big lodge. It doesn't feel like a hotel. Okay, so I'm going to show you around the room. This is also the quietest hotel I've ever been in my life. Okay, look at this door. It's huge. It's really tall and really heavy. And then right here shows you the floor plan. There's just one elevator that we came up. There's stairs on each end, basically. There's some fancy tower rooms, ooh. And we're on the 4th floor. I don't know how many floors there are. All the buildings in this town are really crammed together, so we didn't get a good sense. Look at these giant closet doors. And look at this cool light. Okay, let me look in the closet. There's some kind of air purifier in here. There's a safe. The light went on automatically. There's 2 extra pillows, plenty of place to hang stuff. There's an iron and an ironing board and a luggage rack in this massive closet. Ooh. Yikes. Okay. Then Ben told me, okay, over here there's like this little kitchenette area. There's a sink and a coffee maker and a tea kettle. There's a microwave. There's a fridge down there. There's like this counter.
It's like an island.
Yeah, we could sit, and there's 2 stools here we could sit at.
Convenient. It's perfect for all 3 of us.
There's some dishes. There's an ice bucket, mugs, wine glasses, water glasses, a corkscrew, and spoons to stir your coffee. Paper towels, and then don't touch this, guys, because these are $20. Okay. Or, yeah. Okay, this is the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so using that shower.
Same.
There's this giant walk-in tiled shower with a glass door. That's nice, and there's lots of fluffy towels. Housekeeping is suspended, just like every other hotel right now. Toilet off in its little corner, and there's a makeup mirror, a big mirror over the sink, and some fancy flower light fixtures. Oh, there's a towel just for my face, Meg. That's black, so it doesn't show the makeup. Lots of, it's like their own brand of products. And there's also a tub in its own little alcove. There is just one sink, though. Kind of surprised at that. But there's shelves. And there's Kleenex, extra Kleenex and toilet paper back there, more towels. There's the hairdryer. This is a big, deep tub if somebody wants to take a bath. And then, I don't know, Morgan. Is this a Morgan-approved door?
Doors.
Doors. That's the doors into the bathroom.
It's better than the last.
The last hotel had double doors too, but they were pocket doors and they left a gap. This one does also leave a gap in between, I have to say. So that's not necessarily the greatest, but ooh, they give you an entrance so you can go, hi, I'm in the bathroom. It's carpeted with red fancy carpet. Looks like something out of the White House. Oh, look, another luggage rack.
Wait, there's 2?
Yes.
Out of us.
Full-length mirror. It has a tray ceiling. There are 2 widely spaced queen beds. You know what they don't have, though? There's no nightstands. Yeah, but that's high. There's just this big dresser in the middle with 4 huge drawers and this pine cone lamp. Yeah, and these lamps are kind of far away for reading. What's this do? Oh. It lights above the beds. And then over here, we have some fancy robes. Are they robes?
Yep. I think so.
We think they're robes.
I feel like we're in a movie theater now because those lights are on.
Yeah, and there's an enormous TV and another huge dress. We could literally unpack and like live here for a month. There's so much drawer space. There's 6 drawers in this thing.
The gondola is going.
Oh, and then check out our view. Oh, here.
It's a little balcony.
I'll go out there. Jeez, there's birds. There's the gondola right there. We have a mountain view. There's a chairlift right there. Yeah, I'll take this. Look how high that chairlift goes. All the way up there. And we have some nice aspen trees, excuse me, right outside. So yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it. There you go. And look, they have like an original poster from Tivoli Gardens. Maybe? Is that what are they speaking? Denmark. Danish?
I think so.
Tivoli Gardens is in Copenhagen, right?
I'm not sure.
Copenhagen? Anyway, there you go. This is our room at Tivoli Lodge in Vail, Colorado.